The Identify tool is located in the upper right area of the mapping application. Once activated, the Identify Features window can be repositioned anywhere on the screen. The Identify tool is used to identify information from select layers in the county, zoning, or elections groups. The layers must be visible on the map to use this feature. To identify a feature, select an option from the drop-down list and click on the map where the layer feature is visible. The default layer is parcels. You may click anywhere within the parcel boundary, and this will open the Property Details window. Other layers, like zoning, will open a custom pop-up for the map layer. This pop-up window will also follow the map as it is panned or zoomed. You can prevent this by using the dock icon in the upper right of the pop-up window.